Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix Spotify Wrapped 2022, and for those that doesn't have Spotify, you can just download it from the App Store. And those who has the problem that they can't see this option in here of the Wrapped version, these actually two ways to fix it. The first one, make sure that your Spotify is basically updated. How to see if your Spotify is updated? You can just go ahead and open App Store, and like here, click on here, search for Spotify, and then from here, if you have this open button here, it means that it is updated. But if not, it means that you have a problem with it and you have to like update it. So if you have it updated, instead of have it in here, basically all you gonna do is there's actually two ways. The first one, which is going to Spotify. Let's go and search for Spotify, like so. You can just delete it from here, or else you can go to your settings and then go to general, and then you can go to here to about, and then from here you can check your applications. Sorry guys, not from here, but from iPhone storage. Yes, from here, and wait a little bit. So while you're waiting, this might not work for everyone, so if it didn't work for you, just go ahead and disinstall the program. It will not take even a minute from you, it will just take a couple seconds. After doing so, you can re-download it and it will be fixed for you. So for me, I have a lot of gigabytes in my phone, that's why it will take so long for them to calculate them. So for you, just go ahead and you see this search that it is at the top right corner. You can just click on it, and then after doing so, search for Spotify, and you will have two options. The first one, which is delete the app. The second one, which is offload the app. The offload app is kind of you delete all of the data that you have in your phone about the app itself without deleting it. So it's kind of weird, but it will work for you by the end. So that was the tutorial for today, guys. Unfortunately, I can't show you because I have so many storage here to calculate. But anyhow, I told you what to do, so please just follow my steps and it will work for you. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.